Ever wondered why fish is often hailed as a superfood? You're not alone. It's a question that many of us ponder, especially if we're trying to make healthier food choices. Let me shed some light on this. Fish, in all its varieties, holds a coveted place in the world of nutrition. It's the star player in a balanced diet, bringing to the table a cocktail of nutrients that our bodies crave. Throughout this video, we're going to delve into the reasons behind the superfood status of fish. We'll talk about the omega-3 powerhouse that fish is, how it serves as a lean source of protein, and the wealth of vitamins and minerals it provides. We'll also discuss how incorporating fish into your diet can lower your risk of certain diseases. So, are you ready to get educated and excited about this incredible food? Now let's dive in and explore the reasons why fish is such a superfood. Firstly, fish is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Now you might be wondering, why is that important? Well, omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. Let's start with heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. They help to lower blood pressure levels, reduce triglycerides, slow down the development of plaque in the arteries, and decrease the likelihood of abnormal heart rhythm. So, incorporating fish into your diet could be a heart-smart move. But the benefits of omega-3s extend beyond just heart health. They are also vital for brain function. You see, our brains are nearly 60% fat, and much of that fat is omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients aid in memory, cognition, and mood regulation. They may even play a protective role against age-related cognitive decline. So, consuming fish regularly could be your ticket to a healthier, sharper mind. And speaking of mood regulation, studies have shown that omega-3s may help to alleviate symptoms associated with mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. They seem to have a positive effect on brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, which play a key role in mood regulation. Now, where does fish come into the picture? Well, fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are among the best sources of these essential omega-3 fatty acids. A single serving of these fish can provide a significant portion of the recommended daily intake of omega-3s. And the best part? They are delicious and versatile, easily fitting into a variety of culinary traditions. So, whether you're grilling a salmon steak, tossing some tuna into a salad, or enjoying a comforting bowl of mackerel stew, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also fueling your body with essential nutrients. Clearly, when it comes to omega-3s, fish is a champion. Secondly, fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Now let's dive a little deeper into what that means. Protein is more than a popular buzzword in the health and fitness world. It's a crucial building block for our bodies. Imagine your body as a house, with protein serving as the bricks and mortar that holds everything together. It's involved in everything from building muscle and repairing tissues, to making enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. But not all proteins are created equal, and that's where fish really shines. Fish provides what's known as lean protein. In the simplest terms, lean protein is protein that comes bundled with less unhealthy fats, and more of the good stuff, like essential vitamins and minerals. Think about it this way: if you're building that house we talked about, you'd want to use the best quality bricks, right? The same principle applies to your body. You want to provide it with the best possible materials, and lean protein is top tier when it comes to building and repairing your body. Fish, especially varieties like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are excellent sources of this lean protein. They're like the luxury bricks in your bodybuilding project. They're low in saturated fat, high in protein, and loaded with other essential nutrients. But it's not just about muscle building. Protein also plays a key role in maintaining a healthy immune system. It helps our bodies to produce antibodies, those little warriors that fight off infections and diseases. Without enough protein, our immune system can weaken, making us more susceptible to illnesses. And let's not forget about the role of protein in weight management. Foods high in protein tend to make us feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack and potentially helping with weight loss. A plate of grilled fish might just be the ticket to feeling satisfied without overindulging. So, for a protein-packed meal, fish is a fantastic choice. Not only will you be serving up a dish that's low in unhealthy fats, but you'll also be providing your body with the high-quality fuel it needs to function at its best. Thirdly, fish is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Now let's dive deep into this ocean of nutrients. Imagine a treasure chest, but instead of gold and jewels, it's filled with vitamins and minerals that your body needs. That's what fish is, a treasure chest of health. Every bite of fish is a bite packed with vitamins and minerals. Among these are vitamin D, a nutrient that many of us lack, especially those living in areas with less sun. Vitamin D is crucial for maintaining healthy bones and teeth, and it can also protect against certain diseases. Next up, we have vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin. This vitamin plays a vital role in energy production and also helps in the growth and development of body cells. So when you're feeling a little low on energy, a serving of fish might just do the trick. But the treasure doesn't stop there. Fish is also a good source of calcium, which, as we all know, is paramount for the health of our bones and teeth. It's like a natural armor for your body. Moving on, fish is teeming with minerals like zinc, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Zinc is a great immune booster, iron helps in forming hemoglobin, magnesium aids in nerve and muscle function, and potassium helps regulate fluid balance and controls the electrical activity of the heart. Each of these minerals has its unique role, but together, they form a formidable team, fighting against diseases, boosting your immunity, and keeping you healthy and strong. Imagine all of these benefits, all of these essential nutrients packed in a delicious serving of fish. It's not just about the taste, it's about nourishing your body, providing it with the fuel it needs to function optimally. So whether it's a grilled salmon steak, a tuna sandwich, or a bowl of shrimp scampi, remember, what you're consuming is far more than just a meal. It's a feast of vitamins and minerals, a banquet of health benefits. So it's clear that fish is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. Finally, eating fish can lower your risk of several diseases. Let's delve into how this superfood, chock full of essential nutrients, can be a powerful shield against a plethora of health conditions. First up, heart disease. The heart is the engine that powers our bodies, and just like any engine, it needs the right fuel to run smoothly. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish are like high-grade fuel for your heart. They reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, two major factors in heart disease. In fact, several studies have found that people who consume fish regularly have a lower risk of heart disease. Next on the list is stroke. Stroke occurs when blood flow to part of the brain is cut off. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish can help to improve blood flow and prevent the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of stroke. Dementia, too, isn't immune to the health benefits of fish. The brain is an organ that thrives on omega-3 fatty acids. They help to maintain brain health, improve memory, and slow cognitive decline. Research has shown that people who consume more fish have a lower risk of developing dementia. And let's not forget about depression. This condition is more than just feeling sad. It's a serious mental health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have mood-boosting properties, and studies have found that people who consume fish regularly have a lower risk of depression. But it's not just omega-3 that makes fish a disease-fighting superfood. It's also packed with lean protein, vitamins, and minerals, all of which contribute to overall health and lower the risk of various diseases. So, as you can see, the health benefits of eating fish extend far beyond its delicious taste. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can help to protect against a multitude of health conditions. So fish isn't just tasty, it's a key part of a disease-fighting diet. Let's recap what we've learned about the benefits of fish. It's no wonder this aquatic creature has earned its superfood status. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fish is a true powerhouse that supports brain health, promotes a healthy heart, and reduces inflammation in our bodies. But that's not all. Fish is also a fantastic source of high-quality protein, helping us to build and repair tissues, as well as to maintain our physical strength. And let's not forget the vitamins and minerals. From vitamin D to zinc, fish is a treasure trove of nutrients that contribute to our overall health. Moreover, incorporating fish into our diet can potentially lower our risk of numerous diseases, including heart disease and stroke. The benefits are simply too numerous to ignore. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember, fish isn't just a food, it's a superfood.